let's get to the meat, the
Hmm.
main core of the report. The latest results. I think it would be for the June, for the quarter
Yes,
ended
June.
June 2024. What are the latest results, and top, under, or over, top rankings, bottom rankings, anything
Yeah.
of the major fund types?
Yeah. So as we discussed, there are 500 funds which are ranked.
Hmm.
Even if I look at top ranked funds, top 10 percentile, it would be about 51 funds which are ranked one across categories. Now, if you were to look at major categories in equity and debt, in equity you have FlexiCap, which is the largest category in terms of AUM. Uh, Fund like HDFC FlexiCap has remained in top rank for over a period of time.
Okay.
And they have kind of managed to generate superior returns, primarily from investing into, say, public sector
Sure.
undertakings, which have done well in the last 3 and 4 years. On top of it, it has also now started investing into banking sector because
Hmm.
I think valuations are attractive. So they are actively managing their portfolio and able to generate consistent performance over a period of time.
HDFC FlexiCap.
Yes.
Okay.
Having said that, there are other funds
Yeah.
also
Of course.
which are top ranked. I'm talking about the major
Yeah.
ones
Yeah. Yeah.
with have some consistency in terms of ranking also.
Sure.
Second fund in the large cap space, we have Nippon Large Cap, which again has remained in the top ranked uh, over a period of time. Uh, this is a fund which maintains uh, a lower quantum of churn in the portfolio. They
Hmm.
buy and hold that stock for a long period of time. Some of the key contributors for the fund has been the PSUs and the infra stocks in the infra
Sure.
space.
Sure.
In the mid cap category, Motilal Oswal is another one. This is a fund which manages the portfolio slightly differently. It tends to have about 20 to 25 stocks
That's it.
in the portfolio,
Yeah.
so slightly concentrated
Concentrated. Yeah.
portfolio,
Yeah.
which means that uh, they have to get their calls right in those limited
Yeah.
stocks.
Yeah.
Uh, they have been able to do that, and hence they have remained in the top rank for a period of time.
Okay.
In case of small cap category, Franklin small cap fund
Yeah.
is the one which has come up in the ranking, especially in the last 1.5 years. Uh, it used to be a top ranked fund some time back. There was a slippage in the ranking
Sure.
in the interim period,
Sure.
but now it has been maintaining top rank over a period of time.
Very interesting.
On the debt side, I'll talk about some of the actively managed duration categories like gilt, then corporate bond
Hmm.
fund category, and dynamic bond fund category. Now, here we find ICICI Pru uh, topping the ranking, especially in the gilt and corporate bond fund category. Then we have Bandhan, which is a top ranked fund in the dynamic bond fund category.
And just a note there, Bandhan is the old IDFC.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
it's the old IDFC mutual fund. Now, if you look at Bandhan specifically, they have a philosophy of managing debt funds primarily from the perspective of interest rate or duration management.
Yeah.
So, unlike other funds which tend to focus more both on credit and duration,
Hmm.
this is a fund house which tends to focus largely on duration management. And they have done it well over a period of time, and hence their fund is top ranked fund.
Sure.
Even from iPru perspective, uh, the two funds which are ranked in top category, they've been able to manage interest rate volatility over a period of time and generate superior return uh, through the period.
Very interesting. That's a comprehensive list of categories in equities. We spoke about flexi cap, large cap, mid cap, small cap, and within debt, we spoke about interest rate and duration. So, folks, all of this is available in the report. Do have a look. So, Piyush, what are the takeaways for investors from this report? Like, how can they use the report to make better decisions?
I think one of the key objective to also have this product in the market is to help investors make an informed decision. Now, I think while this particular report helps in fund selection, there's one more activity that investors have to do at their end
Yeah,
is
yeah, yeah.
to shortlist the categories also. Now, that is largely driven by their own financial status or their overall investment objectives. Once the investor has identified the categories where they want to participate, then they can look at the rankings which is available on the website and shortlist the funds.
Sure.
They can also look at these rankings over a period of time. They will realize some of the funds tend to remain in top rank category, and that can become a preferred uh, fund for the
Yeah.
purpose of
Yeah.
investment.
Very interesting.